since we were talking about tariffs, let's put the spotlight on the kind of commentary we got from Trump overnight. In fact, just a few hours ago, where US President Donald Trump has now said that he's not considering lowering tariffs on India after imposing tariffs as high as 50% on import of goods from India. So that's some bold statement coming in yet again from Donald Trump. Meanwhile, he has also spoken about the court ruling on tariffs, where he says that stock markets need and want tariffs. Remember, yesterday US markets fell, and this is on account of tariff-led uncertainty, because of which he said that. He also said global tariff is an economic emergency. He will file an appeal if at all the Supreme Court were to not rule in their favor. Losing an appeal on tariffs would be an economic disaster, would appeal the tariff ruling. So that's the word coming in from Donald Trump as far as tariff ruling is concerned. Meanwhile, he also spoke on ties and the relation Russia, India and China have. He says that he's not concerned about China and Russia ties. He also spoke about his ties with China. He said that China, India and Brazil are killing us with additional tariffs, and he said that China needs US more than they need China. So that's some bold statement yet again that's coming in from US President Donald Trump. Meanwhile, we have Lula, who has spoken about tariffs on Brazil, where he says that he has no interest in fighting with the United States. Brazil has no reason to fear tariffs that have been levied by United States. Trump has right to impose tariffs, but there are no rules as such. He also gone ahead and said that he is waiting for Trump's willingness to negotiate on the tariff front. So those are some important comments that have come in from global leaders overnight.